नमस्ते, हमेशा खुश रहिए. I am Jv'n Dr. Lily Trivedi and today's lecture is on acid rain. Now what is acid rain, when it was found? I am going to discuss in brief. Now acid rain, the phenomena of acid rain, also called as acid deposition, was identified in Manchester, England in about 1852 and described thoroughly by in 1872. But the modern scientific research is only from 1950s and it became a public concern problem in the 1960s. The acid rain is an environmental hazard in nature. Northeastern America, Northwestern Europe, India, they all face acute problem of acid rain. The acid rain affects certain rivers, lakes, streams and forests of many countries. And the acid rain literally means the presence of excessive acid in the rainwater. Now, the acid precipitation is actually a mixture of strong mineral acids like sulfuric acid, nitric acid, and in some locations, hydrochloric acid also. The pH becomes less than 5.6. That is the value of the distilled water in equilibrium with atmospheric carbon dioxide. Now, the acid in the rainwater is a result of anthropogenic activity. It comes from the acid comes from the cars, home, industries, power stations, and the, also through some natural sources like the volcanoes, swamps, and plankton. The acid problem is basically associated with the transport and subsequent deposition of the oxides of sulfur, nitrogen, and their oxidative products. They are also produced by combustion of fossil fuels, power plants, automobile exhaust, and domestic fire. Now, the formation of the acid rain can be either wet or dry. The acid rain in the form of snow, dew, fog, frost, mist are the wet forms of acid of deposition of the acid, while the dust particles containing the sulfates and nitrates which settle on the ground are the dry form of the acid rain or the dry deposition. The wet acid rain, as we all know, the coal, fuel, wood, and petroleum products have sulfur and nitrogen. And when they are burnt with atmospheric oxygen, they are converted into sulfur dioxide, nitrogen oxide, and which is highly soluble in water. Now, when they are formed, like S plus O2 becomes SO2 and SO2 plus O2 becomes SO3. So when this SO3 in humid conditions is associates with water forms HO2, SO4. Similarly, with the NO2, it becomes NO3. So the primary reason for this acid deposition concern is that it acidifies the stream and the sandy soil flow inland, and the effect is seen in the environment, and the chemical and physical consequence of the lake acidification includes increased leaching of calcium from the terrestrial soil, mobilization of heavy metals such as aluminum, zinc, and manganese, increase in the transparency of lake waters. The biological consequences include market changes in the communities of aquatic plants and animals and less of their diversity. The acid deposition further impoverish the forest soil and develop a sandy substratum poor in lime. As a consequence, there is leaching of nutrients of phosphorus, potassium, magnesium, and calcium from these soils, and the forest productivity is reduced. The acid sulfate particles also contribute to acid precipitation are in various different sizes and thereby they penetrate deep into the lungs and also cause lung disease and increase in mortality rate. So the acid rain as such is a harmful phenomena and is should be controlled. So students, I hope you found my lecture interesting. If you have any query, please give in the comment box. I will resolve it soon. This session was powered by digital version 2.0 of Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Namaste.